Google's Pixel phones have always sparked excitement, but let's be honest, there's room for improvement. With a little fine-tuning, Google could turn the Pixel lineup from a good choice into an absolute no-brainer. And my goal this year is to hit 1K subs, and I'm already halfway there. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. It really helps, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. It's that time of the year again. Warmer days, longer nights, and of course, new Pixels. This year, we get the Pixel 9a, with the Pixel 10 series just around the corner. Expect the usual suspects: Pixel 9a, Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Sounds good on paper, right? Multiple options, various price points from budget-friendly to ultra-premium. But here's the catch. Google's execution feels a little off. Small tweaks could take the Pixel lineup from just another smartphone to a lineup that makes perfect sense for every user. Let's break it down. The Pixel 9a is a killer deal. 120Hz display, a beefy 5100 mAh battery, and 7 years of software updates, all for $499. That's a win. Then comes the Pixel 10. If rumors are true, it's getting a third camera, a periscope telephoto lens, alongside a Tensor G5 chip and a slicker design. Cool, right? But here's the problem. This change makes the Pixel 10 Pro almost pointless. Why pay $200 more for minor upgrades like a slightly sharper display or a little extra RAM? On the flip side, if the Pixel 10 sticks with just 2 cameras, it faces another dilemma. Why spend $300 more for minimal upgrades over the Pixel 9a? The lineup starts feeling redundant, just like it did with the Pixel 8 and Pixel 9. And a quick shout out to our sponsor today. This all-in-one live stream kit is your ultimate setup for seamless streaming and real-time communication. With a hidden camera, portable router, and an invisible wireless earpiece, you're always connected, and it's a limited deal now. Pick your earpiece model and start streaming anywhere. Link in the description. So what's the fix? It's surprisingly simple. Rename, realign, and refine. Here's how Google could create a logical, exciting Pixel lineup in 2026. The Pixel 11, priced at $499, would feature a 6.3-inch display, 2 rear cameras, and the Tensor G5 chip, essentially a rebranded Pixel 10a, making it the go-to budget-friendly option. The Pixel 11 XL, at $799, would come with a 6.7-inch display, a bigger battery, and 3 cameras, including a 3x telephoto lens. For those who want high-end features in a compact form, the Pixel 11 Pro, priced at $999, would offer a 6.3-inch display, a better periscope camera, Tensor G6, and more RAM. Finally, the Pixel 11 Pro XL, at $1,099, would carry all the Pro features but with a larger 6.7-inch screen and battery. This approach keeps things simple. 2 sizes, clear upgrades, and better differentiation between Pro and non-Pro models. Want a solid, affordable Pixel? Get the Pixel 11. Need a bigger screen and better battery? Pixel 11 XL is for you. Pro features? Choose between the standard and XL Pro models. The only downside? The first year of this transition might be a little bumpy, especially for those upgrading from a Pixel 10. But long-term, this system makes way more sense. No more confusing A-series numbering, no more overlapping models, just a well-thought-out lineup with something for everyone. Google has the potential to make the Pixel brand stronger than ever. Will they do it? Probably not. But hey, Google, if you're reading this, the first consultation is free.